In this marketing tech tip, we're going to look at 4 quick and easy tips to optimize your WordPress blog post for search engine visibility. Coding skills or special technical capabilities are not required for these simple tricks. In less than 10 minutes, you can increase the search engine optimization or SEO of any WordPress blog post. Tip number 1, optimize your title. Search engines like Google give a lot of weight to the title tag. So include your most important keywords in your title. Also, because titles can get cut off, you should move important information to the left. If your title gets cut off, readers will still know what your post is about. Tip number 2, optimize your URL. Like the title, you should include your important keywords in the URL. You can edit and customize the name of your URL, which also gives your readers information about your content if they share it with a friend. Tip number 3, include basic meta tags in your images. Google may not be able to read your image, especially if it has design or branding. You can add a description, a caption, and even an alt tag to help search engines to understand this important visual content on your post. When you upload your image, WordPress will prompt you for most of these fields, but you can also update them in the actual post. If you're interested in learning more about optimizing the meta tags in your images, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel about how to add meta tags to the actual image. Tip number 4, add a meta description. Google will try to pick up a relevant description for the results page, including the title tag and a meta description tag. If you were building your site in HTML, you'd go into the code or your web design software to update this information. But WordPress makes it even easier. This field allows you to populate a brief description. It is important to mention that the character counts for meta description tags have changed over the years. For example, on desktop browsers, Google will display an additional number of characters. In some cases, you can fit up to 300 characters. However, you have to consider the mobile screen as well. To be safe and mobile friendly, I generally try to limit my meta description to about 155 characters. If you need a quick way to review the character count of your content, you can just open up a Google Doc and copy and paste it in here. Under the Tools menu, you can look for the word count, and that'll give you a quick pulse on how many characters you've used. So, that's it. 4 quick and easy tips to help you optimize your WordPress post. There are many other options, including free and premium plugins. If you're just getting started with WordPress, though, I'd suggest just trying these techniques on your next blog post. And yes, you can go back to older posts and update those as well. If you want to see the actual blog post demonstrated in this article, visit my website, which is powered by WordPress, at wordspicturesweb.com. You can read the full article and discover other useful resources for your digital marketing strategy. Be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Buddy Scalera, and I hope you enjoyed this marketing tech tip.